Today let's see how to connect the 800NK Advanced to iPhone, and what I do from the moment that I get with the phone next to the motorcycle. I haven't done any settings or anything prior to this moment. So I got a new phone, iPhone, Apple, especially for the motorcycle, to make some more tests. And this is the first time that I'm turning on the phone next to the motorcycle. And now we're gonna see what I'm doing to connect the 800NK Advanced to the Apple CarPlay. First, I'm gonna turn on Bluetooth, mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi, then Bluetooth, I got the code 762515 there. Allow dating, connect Apple CarPlay, enable Apple CarPlay, Alright, so now we are connected to Apple CarPlay. Waze. Open, save, follow instructions on your phone to continue. Alright, so I turned on Waze on the phone, Waze on the display of the CarPlay. I set the location where I want to go, and now we're gonna see with the phone in my pocket if it takes me there, because I heard some people saying that after a while the map disconnects or it's having some problems. So we're gonna test this right now. So let's go. To see how maps are actually working on the display of the motorcycle without an additional phone, you know. I'm having the phone, the iPhone, in my pocket in this moment.
You don't cry, you're not strong enough to care. Getting lost in my own pain, not in the game. One more dance to see me. I've been hoping we could try not to lie alone tonight. I will never have the life you stole. Now I'm keeping everything in my soul. If you call me in the night, I will ask you every time, can you breathe for me? In another life, I'm feeling cold and then you lied.
So as you've seen, it worked pretty well without to stop or interruption something. Waze from Apple seems to work pretty well. The phone is locked in my pocket, I put a location and it works pretty well. So Waze, it's working perfect with the 800NK connected to Apple phone. What else can we do around here? WhatsApp, settings, calendar, phone, music, maps, message. The rest, I don't know. This is how you connect your Apple phone to your 800NK Advanced and how to use Waze. I think it's very useful to have Waze on the display of the motorcycle without to have an additional device next to you. You just have the motorcycle as it is and it's working perfect. Practically what you do, you turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything on your phone, Bluetooth everything on the motorcycle. You go to settings in the motorcycle, you press connect when it's gonna see your phone. On the phone, press connect when it's gonna see your motorcycle. They're gonna connect each other. One important thing is you must have Siri turned on the device, because it's not gonna connect. It's not gonna activate Apple CarPlay on the motorcycle if you don't have Siri turned on the phone. Tell me if you find this video helpful. Write me down in the comments if you want something else to know, I don't know, related to Apple phone connected to this motorcycle. Alright, I hope you find this video useful. Write me down in the comments if you want to see something else with Apple connected to 800NK Advanced, or if it's something you didn't understood, how I connected the Apple device to the motorcycle. Write me down in the comments and I can explain you. Alright, thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Ask me in the comment section if you have something to ask about this. I like how it is on the motorcycle. I bought specially the Apple phone, to use it with the motorcycle. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.